Hello everyone, my name is Gissel and today I have yet again another Kiara Sky unboxing. So let's just get right into opening it. So here you guys go. It just says, KS on the box. And these are the goodies. I've never actually gotten a box like this. I've always gotten, the rectangular boxes, but this is a really wide, thin box. So let's start off with taking out some stuff. I did actually manage to get the bag. Got buffers, cuticle oil, some gel polish, another gel polish, sprinkle on glitter, and then, well, I got files, of course. And then I actually picked up the jelly starter kit. I picked it up in short almond and it comes with the lamp. So I got the Mother's Day jelly tip kit, which includes all of this, which is the little lamp, the jelly tips, the things to put on the jelly tips, cuticle oil, a glitter. You could choose rhinestones or a glitter, so that's different. One gel polish and some buffer blocks. I love these. They're so good. So they also had the promotion of 4 gels. So I got this color. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I also got this color. And with a $200 purchase, you get a Kiara Sky limited edition bag and 2 nail lacquers. So they gave me the Simple Life and Totally Whipped. So that's awesome. I'm gonna unbox the bag because that's what I was kind of excited about. So the bag, I have a story. So I'm gonna post a picture right here of the thing that they sent me saying that I didn't meet the minimum price requirement, even though I did. Technically, without the discount, it would have been like $201 because you can only get this if you do a $200 plus purchase on their website, which technically I did a $201. It discounted to like $40, and then they were like, you didn't meet the total requirement. Yo, I was flipping out. Like, how, like, I shop from them all the time. Like, how could they not give me a bag? Like, I shop the minimum amount, it's not fair, whatever. I just was kind of upset, and then next thing you know, when I opened it, I saw it, I was like, thank you, because I really wanted the bag. It's like, it's so cute. Sometimes I go to my friend's house and I do her nails, so this is such a cute little bag to take like gel polishes or anything in, and it's like a decent size. So yeah, and it's flat on the bottom, so that's great. It's not one of those like really thin ones. It's a really good cosmetic bag in general. I do have a lot of cosmetic bags, but I wanted this one specifically for like nail stuff. It's really cute and the material feels great. It has one of these like little hinges. I don't know. I just thought it was a cute little addition to like my bags, and I'm really glad that I got it. I'm super happy that even though I got that message saying that I didn't meet the requirement, even though I technically did, that they still sent it to me, because throughout all the shipping emails, it was saying that everything else was coming, but it didn't show this. So it was weird. I don't know. Anyways, this is really cute. I really like it. So moving on to these nail lacquers. I don't really technically use nail lacquers anymore, but I do use them for pedicures. I just feel like I do like gel on my feet, but regular nail polish does last on my feet anyways. So these are really nice colors to have. I definitely always use a color like this on my toes. I'm not really a purpley kind of person, but this is a cute lilac pinkish color, and yeah, I'm so glad to be playing with this. I will do a little swatches for you guys. I don't typically swatch my nail lacquers, but why not? So this is the Simple Life. This is the Simple Life. It's super cool toned, very pale pink, really gorgeous color. I love colors like this. Wish it was a gel. Maybe they have the gel. I'm gonna check that out later, but really nice color. And then we have Totally Whipped. and this is Totally Whipped. Really nice purple, very pastel-like, and yeah, I could definitely see me putting this on my toes. Let's move on to the gels I picked up. These are the gels that I picked up on their little sale, like a bundle, and then this the gel that I picked up with the short almond nail jelly tips, whatever. So I'm going to start off with the one that I got from the short jelly almond tips, and this one is First Class Ticket. And as you can tell, this one isn't as goopy as the one Iceberg that I got in my previous haul. So this is First Class Ticket. It is gorgeous. It's very champagne, yet a little bit of rose gold. It's really cute. I hope you guys can see it, and you can definitely share these out or build it up. It looks beautiful. Next up, we have Bear With Me. Is Bear With Me. This is such a gorgeous nude. It's really gorgeous. It is the perfect mixture of brown and peach and beautifulness. Next we have Cereal Chiller. Ooh. So this is Cereal Chiller. It is definitely a color you could build up, but it does give pretty good coverage. It is like a dark purple. It is very unique to my type of collection. I'm not, you know, a big fan of purple, but this for Halloween or something, even like to do nail art, it's really pretty. I think I'm gonna do 2 coats for this for when I actually put it in the lamp, but it's really nice. So next up we have Riyalistic Maroon. I am not sure how to pronounce that word. I did not look it up. The only thing is the stickers kind of coming off. It's not a big deal, but this is the color. Ooh, I love. So this is Riyalistic Maroon. I really don't know if I'm saying that right. I think I am. I don't know. Realistic. Whatever. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it's not as deep as I thought it would be. I really thought it was going to be like a blood red, crimson red. I mean, it's a deep red, but not mega deep, like blood red. And I'm going to do another coat on this to see if it deepens up. But this is how it looks with just 1 coat. So the last one that I picked up was Styleletto. At first I thought I said Styleletto, but it's Styleletto. This is Styleletto. Excuse this writing. I mistook it for Cereal Chiller, but this one's Styleletto. And it is a really nice clay gray. Really pretty. I've been wanting a gray for a while. So the first color being Riyalistic Maroon, I did add another coat and it did deepen up, but it's still a pretty noticeable red. Like, it didn't get as deep as I thought it would. It's okay. It'll be good to have a color like this because I don't have a gel this deep of a red. Then we have Cereal Chiller, and I did add another coat to it too, and it did deepen up a lot more, but you can still tell it's purple when you look up close. Maybe on camera it picks up a little bit more too, but honestly on the nail I feel like it'll just look really dark. Unless somebody's really staring at your nail, they won't tell that it's purple. Still a really cute color. First Class Ticket, it's gorgeous. I really like the champagne colors and stuff. It's really cute. I definitely can see myself using this a lot more often. It's kind of hard to see so far away. Then we have Bear With Me, and this is a really, really gorgeous nude. I know they have a nude called Perfect Nude, but this is almost my perfect nude. No, it's not my perfect nude, but I would definitely wear this. Let me dim down some lights because you can barely see it. And yeah, I really like it. Super, super cute. And then I'm so glad I picked up this gray because I needed a gray. And this is the perfect kind of clay gray that I've been looking for. So just in case you want a little close-up of these two. So those are the gels that I picked up. Moving on, I did pick up one of their sprinkle on glitters along with the kit, and this one is Rose Velvet. And I was planning on getting these when I got my other glitters. I just didn't because it is a pretty color, but I wanted those before this one, you know? So I was like, I'll purchase it in the future, and now is the future, so I got it. It's so pretty. I did pick up the lavender cuticle oil. I know, like I said in my other video, I will leave it in the cards yet again, that I don't like floral scents. I like fruity floral, but not floral. So this is lavender scented. I already did give it a smell. Not my cup of tea. To me, it smells like Fabuloso, if you know what I mean. It's the, you know, what you clean the floors with, or mop, or whatever it is. That's what it smells like to me. It just reminds me of that, like cleaning. And I know for everybody it's not the same. Like, some people actually like the smell or whatever. I'm not a huge fan of it. So I'll still be using this. Out of the three, natural and rose, I definitely like the rose. I personally thought I was not going to like this one because, like I said, I'm not a floral type of person, but this one smells sweet, fruity sweet. So good. And this one is just more botanical. Just gives me botanical vibes. And then this one gives me Fabuloso vibes. So, you know, I'll still use all of them. I'll still even use my Amazon one. But yeah, I just thought I would add that in there, what it smells like to me. Definitely, you know, an acquired smell that you possibly might like. But I like the bottles. Very cute packaging. Moving on, I do want to try this kit. I just do not want to try it here in this video because then this video will be way too long. But I am going to open it up for you guys so you guys can get a look of what you receive. I mean, obviously the picture is here, but it's not the same as actually seeing it. And I guess I'll go more in depth whenever I actually do these. Because I do plan to do them. Not for my next set. I have a set in mind already that I want to do. It's like a recreation. I'm trying to push it, but you actually just go like this. So that's my fault. So they come for instructions for Flash Cure LED lamp. And it's just like a page. You know, general notes of operation, functions, and all that's in the back. I'll go more in detail about reading that when I actually use it. They have a warranty card, and then you have the little lamp in here with the adapter. I want to see how long this cord is, just to see how far away from an outlet do I have to be. Oh, it looks like the standard 3 feet long, so I definitely need to be near an outlet. Like, I'm nowhere near an outlet right now. I would need a longer extension if I was near an outlet. And then there's a little lamp. It comes with a little button and all that good stuff. Pretty sure you've probably seen it in other videos. I'm just gonna shove it back in there for now. And then the most exciting part is this part, and you could just slide this out. And I got the short almond because I saw a girl post her sets, and she said she used these. And she used the medium almond, I think, or the long almond. And I actually like these better. They look cuter in my opinion. I feel like almond nails look cute on short nails, and then stilettos look better on longer nails. You know, I'm still working on how I do mine, so I'm trying. So it does come taped, so let me just open that up real quick. Take that out, super easy. It does tell you which tips you get, And then you just open it and they come like this, I believe. Yes. Oh, these are cute. They're numbered. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but they are numbered, like on the tip. So that's really cute. At the bottom, it just gives you this little guide. And it just gives you like instructions. And I'll just go over this when I actually do them. Comes with the standard prep, primer, builder, and top coat. I believe this is a non-wipe top coat. Yeah, that was really hard to take out, but I'll let you know if this is a non-wipe top coat, because it doesn't say that on the actual bottle. But we'll see. I definitely am going to record this for you guys. I have a new camera mount coming in, so hopefully I'll have a way better angle. That is all that I picked up. So happy that they gave me this bag. You don't understand how upset I was. And I was like, so I bought all this stuff for nothing, because technically I only bought this stuff because I wanted this. I should have waited, because I definitely like the new glitters that they came out with, but another time, you know, because I can't just be throwing my money at them. So thank you guys all for watching. I really do appreciate the comments that you guys give me, or likes, or just views in general. I really appreciate it. I'm very much a nail enthusiast, and I like talking nails with other people and watching other people, even unboxings. So stay tuned. I'm definitely gonna be doing a set pretty soon. Thank you guys all for watching, and until next time, bye.